Hey everybody, this is Randy over here with 380 Power Wash. I just wanted to show y'all gum removal, and we've service cleaned. We've already pre-treated this area down over here. We're getting a lot of gum built up over on the side of the building, and just wanted to show y'all what's going on. So let me get this camera switched around, and I'll show you what we're working with. So as you can see, we've already pre-treated the area. I mean, one, look at the surface cleaning. I mean, major difference there. And then we're gonna go back through after we're done. We're gonna pop all this gum. We put some Gold Assassin down to make sure that all this grime and everything comes off, and we found that it helps us with the gum as well to loosen up that gum, so it's a little bit easier to pop off, and it doesn't leave as bad of a shadow, and sometimes no shadow. As you can see, all the gum is gone. Gabe's just finishing out down there. And sometimes there is a little bit of a shadow left. It'll end up looking like this. So if you need us, give us a call, 940-218-5777. This is Randy with 380 Power Wash. Y'all have a great day.